right, it is Everyday Gardening with our sponsors at Al's Garden and Home. And this time, it is Nicole DeCosta's turn to get dirty, okay? And they've got her planting some cool weather crops. Let's take a look.
It's been so fun the past few weeks to learn so many tips and tricks from Al's Garden and Home. And today we are in Wilsonville with Peter. And now the garden beds are prepped. The gloves are on, people. Today's a big day. We're going to get down and dirty. And today is a planting day. So what should we be planting at this time of the year?
Yeah, it is spring. Spring is on now. We're into April, and it's time to plant those cool weather crops.
Yes, yes.
So right here, we're going to start with peas. We're going to do some peas, some snow peas. We're going to do some broccoli. We're going to do some onions, and then we're going to do some carrots.
Perfect. I love how you can get so much variety in one little planter.
Yes, 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 yes. You really can. We're using vertical space because the peas like to climb.
Let's let those peas climb. So how do we do it?
Well,
this
first of all,
we
want to prepare the soil. Okay. So we've got potting mix in there. Anytime that you're growing in containers, you want to use a potting soil or a potting mix. So the first thing we want to do is we want to throw in some transplant fertilizer. That's going to get in there with the roots, and it's going to help those roots really get going and thrive.
Perfect.
And then we're also going to add a little bit of garden lime. Now we're adding this for because this has tons of calcium and magnesium. And the plants, just like your mom used to say, drink your milk for you need that for good bones. The plants need the calcium and the magnesium also to thrive. Grab some of the pea starts there you got there, and we're going to plant those right next to the trellis.
Perfect.
Along with the transplant fertilizer. Here's another one here, and we're just going to drape those right up on the trellis, right there.
And do they know to climb? Or
they know to climb. Okay. They have to train them a little bit, but they have little tendrils, and they're just going to grab that. All right, now we've got our peas done. We can do a couple of our broccoli starts.
Okay.
Now these are going to get a little bigger, so we're only going to do a couple of them.
Okay.
One secret about broccoli is you get one big broccoli head like you get at the store.
Really?
But if you leave the plant in the ground after you've cut that broccoli head, you'll get little baby ones all summer. Now we're going to do some onions. The onions here come all clumped together like that.
Yep.
So we're actually going to tease them apart, and it's okay. It's okay. They don't mind being teased apart. Lay them down here in this a little furrow.
Really separating because they'll be too close together in the ground, or
onions need to be able to grow fat, right, and bulk up.
Give them some space.
Right, they need some space. And then go ahead and take your little your thing and just kind of pour some more soil over the top of them.
They're looking good. They're all lined up, ready to go.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. And then, last but not least, we're going to do our carrots. We're just going to simply make a little trench.
Okay.
And then we're just going to pour these seeds right in there. Now, they're small seeds. You want to make sure you're not putting too many in there because, again, carrots, too, need a little space.
Yeah, this could be overloaded.
Right. And we're just going to tap that down.
Okay.
And then in 6 to 8 weeks, you're going to have a bounty of food.
6 to 8 weeks, it's time to eat. Now, where in our yard is best for a planter like this?
So any of your vegetable planters should be in as much sun as possible.
Okay, perfect.
We have a couple different kind of strawberries that we grow here at Al's. Actually, we probably have about 12 different varieties. And then when you take them home, you tease them apart, and they end up like this with each little baby plant. So I've got one planted here, as you can see that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this through and I'm going to tuck it through the hole, out the other side, leaving the plant, the green part on the outside and the roots down in the middle.
Perfect.
And then we're going to put some soil in there. Let's add a little of our transplant fertilizer here. Okay. Right? We're going to add a little bit of that in there.
So we're just building as we go.
We're building as we go.
Makes
so as we get up to the next cup there, we're going to poke a few more in there. Go ahead.
Break one apart here?
Yeah.
This one's kind of...
Pull it apart. Just yank it. There you go.
See, it's such a neat pot. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Oh, okay. This is so neat.
It looks like you got one more pocket to do here.
One more pocket.
Go for it. And I'm going to add a little bit of transplant fertilizer while you're doing that.
Look at this. This took hardly any equipment, and it's going to look beautiful in our yard and so delicious.
Yeah, and we'll just plant.
To the top layer. Okay.
Yeah, we're just going to put the rest of our little strawberries in there.
Okay.
And then we're just going to add some potting soil in there, and we'll be good to go. So don't forget to check our website. We've got a whole calendar of edible tools and when to plant and how to plant. And thanks for coming out, Nicole.
Oh, thank you for making it so easy. I am off to make a salad. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Al's Garden and Home. Happy spring. See you
Bye.
soon.
See ya.
Thanks, Peter.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, go see our sponsors at Al's, guys. I really want to know who's following along with our plant journey and even taking it along with us, okay? So you got to hit us up on social media. I love that segment.